What is up, everyone? This is Multitutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the error connection reset on your Google Chrome. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this error, the easiest way to fix this is all you need to do is basically go to your search bar on your desktop, type in network connections until you see these 4 computer screens pop up. Click into this. In here, right click into whatever you're connected into, so either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and then click into properties. Then find where it says Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and then click into properties. In here, yours is going to be on automatic. Change it from automatic into use the following DNS server addresses and change it to 1.1.1.1 and alternate to 1.0.0.1. Press OK. Then I want you to basically restart your computer, turn Chrome back on, and you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. That's it. That's all you basically need to do. Once you guys do this, you guys should be good to go. If you guys like the video, please smash it up. If you guys on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Multitutorials out. Peace.